Now we're on the final part of the video, the drill and tap. So we're going to go to tap drill. We're going to choose our tool. Our tool is going to be a tool number one because we're doing form tapping. So we're going to use our number 6, which is a number 1 drill. We're going to come in here and we're going to select what we want, and these are going to be the holes in here. I'm going to grab that hole and I'm going to grab that hole. We'll set our heights again. Our heights can be the top of the hole or the selection, and I want to make sure that's the top of the hole, and where we're going to go to is going to be selection again. Make it easy on us. Look where it went to all the way through there. We just want to go to here, and we can control that, but you can see the drill didn't go far enough. So we're actually going to use tip comp, and as we did that, it sets a value, but not enough that we want to go through. We want to blow through that a little bit to make sure we're clear. So I'm going to go down 0.50 thou more. Now you notice I put a positive number on there, not a negative. If you put a negative, it doesn't work. We go down further, and now I know I've blown through that pretty good looking at it. And you can look at the feeds and speeds here that I'm using, real gentle speeds, and I'll choose OK. Oh, it says the top retract height. Let me see what that said. Oh, it's right here. It looks like the top of stocks here, so I'm going to change that, and I'll just add 0.3 to bring it up. As long as it's black, it's going to look good, and we'll be in a clearance of that. So I'm in good shape there. It's going to clear it, and that was a mistake. Again, let's take a look at those parameters. I came over here and I had to add 100 thou to that 200 thousandths, and then I did the selections and left those alone. And I just activated my tip at the bottom, and I increased it by 50 thou. And we have a drill that goes through plenty enough. Again, we're going to come over here to drill and tap. We're going to choose our new tool, which is our quarter 20 tap, which is number 7. And you see it's a right hand tap. We'll choose that. We're going to select our geometry again, and our geometry would be the same thing, those holes. Okay. The next step we're going to do is come in here and make sure our hole top is selected. And you see this is red again, so we can come in here and just 0.3 and we'll be retracted. We're going to select where we want to go. And the reason I'm doing the selection is because I want you to know there's different heights. I've seen a little bit of issues for me. So I'm going to break through, but this time I'm going to break through a little bit more than I did the drill because I want to make sure I clear the threads and they're cleared out. So I'm going to go in a minus, oops, excuse me, it's a positive number, 0.1 of an inch. We'll take a look at that. I'll probably go about 150 thousandths, and I feel comfortable with that. There's nothing that's going to hit. It's going to come down. It's going to clear my threads and give me a clean threads through there. I hit OK, and now we just accomplished everything. So if I come back over here, I can turn off that model, and now what I want to show you is just the setup. We're just going to see that, and it's going to cut those out. Don't need the models right now, but we can see this through verification. This time we're going to select all of the tools, all the tool paths again, and we're going to come over here to simulate. I have everything selected. I'll move this out of the way so we can see it, and we'll go ahead and run it. At this point, we should have a face, another face, our drilling operation, our adaptive clearing, both pockets, a contour, a circle mill or bore, adaptive clearing, chamfer, chamfer this one, drill and tap. And we got to complete it. I'll talk to you later about how we're going to chamfer the holes that we just tapped to make it a cleaner image. But as of now, if you can accomplish this, you have learned quite a bit of toolpathing, and we'll change some of the geometry. Again, we can minimize this and we can see all the toolpaths that we did for this one project. As always, good luck. I hope this helps you, and as we go into more lectures, I hope that you will see that how exciting machining is for your future. Have a great weekend.